I'm on a 50 and perky, baby, what we finna do?
Talking, I'm in love, baby, don't make a fuss. Let's talk about everything so I can give it some closure. Way before the Grammys, Billboard charts, and I was riding around the local. Let's talk about how we done came up and they tried to fold us. Roddy really anti, they took it personal, what the fuck was I supposed to do? I've been going through child support, a good daddy I vouched for it. She just want a new mouth for. Fuck around, fell out with some of my homies, having too much pride, and they can't even say I ain't tried.
So to give you some context about what I'm going to do next, I've been participating in this 30-day challenge by Lucas Heidenberg, and one of the objectives to do is get a cold plunge or cold shower every morning to wake up your body and activate your day.
Imagine if I had $1 for every time you say I fell off, I'd be a billionaire. I was blinded by survivor's remorse, I was supposed to build, yeah. Still solid, still here.
So we arrived at the spot. See, there's already other people swimming. So let's take a dive.
Early in the morning, late at night. It don't even matter what time it is. Presidential roller, RM, wait. Whenever I found time, it's okay.
ATL Jacob, ATL Jacob.
You pray for my demons, girl, I got you. Every time I sip on codeine, I get vulnerable. Annoying the sounds of the storm when it comes. She understand I can't take her everywhere a nigga going. I've been in the field like the children of the corn. I can hear your tears when they drop over the phone. Get mad at yourself cause you can't leave.
Also, one of the other objectives is to do grounding. Grounding is staying on either grass or sand with your bare feet, because it helps to restore that connection with earth, and it also has a lot of other benefits. So I suggest you read something about grounding and try it out. So now I'm going to the office to do some more work, because in like a week or a week and a half I go to Curacao for like 4 weeks. So I have to do some preparations, so let's go.
I'm right bulletproof the Mercedes, yeah. I'm playing with this paper, yeah. I'm ballin' like Kobe, these niggas can't hold me, yeah. I might put a beta one. Everybody know me.
Zo, is goed? Ja man, jij moet eigenlijk kijken of je in dit scherm kan komen, zeg maar. Okay guys, come take a look at this, because this video that I posted like a few days ago, it almost has 20,000 views and close to 700 likes. So cool if things really work out when you post something nice. And also, go follow my business account if you don't already.
I'm trying to get out of here and go taste it. Yeah, my diamonds be VVs. They don't wanna see us on TV unless it's the news. I got something to prove. Yeah, I'm young, but got something to lose. In the street, I done paid all my dues. No instruction, ain't talking about literally. I be walking on beats, is you hearing me? I just pray that my kids be a bigger me. They can't get rid of me. My diamonds be VVs.
I've been getting a lot of messages for collaborations and video projects on Curacao. So I already know it's going to be a crazy few weeks. You'll see how the whole process will go. So it's already 12 o'clock in the evening. I'm just finishing up this SSD, transferring all the files to my hard drive. And also I'm editing this video for Bamboo Lodge that I was working on. Also I'm just charging up some more batteries because I have to tune another drone tomorrow for Curacao. And that will be it for today. So let's do more tomorrow.
I love all my friends. Thinking about this life I provide for them. This world has some real things dividing them. My right hand, he's Muslim, I die for him. My road manager's drunk as hell at 5 p.m. I get knocked down, they help me rise again. Ref one lead the game, I saying bye with him.
Jay, turn this shit the fuck up.
I don't care about my uncle, I don't care about my uncle, I don't care about my uncle.
I'm currently taking a walk around the city to start my day actively. So just going outside, taking a bit of sun, do some exercise or walking will promote your body to be actively ready for the next morning and every morning that you wake up at the same time. It will help with good habits. So let's go. Okay, so I was working on this video edit for a client yesterday and I have it finished up now, so let me go show you. Oh, and also I wanted to tune my drone for Curacao, but the weather's shit over here, so can't really go outside. The weather was awful, so probably we'll have to do that some other day.
You know how the pagan chit chat goes. I like R's and V's and O's. I don't really play no tic-tac-toe.
Okay guys, so here's the current situation. I have all these boxes that I have to figure out whether I want to recycle them or resell them again. Okay guys, we're at the Basic Fit. It's pretty busy today, but I'm going to make it work. I'm here with Nati. We're doing a push day today, so chest, triceps and shoulders. So let's get it. Okay, yes guys, so we're on our way to Termen Bad Nieuweschans, this spa or sauna where we will chill with our friends who are driving over there. Let's go!
Ja, die onderbroek, maar die gaat terug hoor. Ja, die toch niet goed.
Kelvin, let's go! Okay, so now I'm outside. I did some work this morning. Mostly ads for my friend Samuel, who runs social media content business. And the planning for today is we're going to go swim at Aquamundo. And it's pretty nice with all the water slides and stuff. So that's where we're heading today with friends and also a niece from Nua. So let's go. It's a new day, and also edited a reel this morning because last night after the swimming pool I just went to the fair over here in Groningen to test the low light of my camera, and the results were pretty crazy, so I'm just gonna show them here right now.
Can I call you Rose? Cause you're sweet like a flower in bloom.
I think it was pretty dope. So now I'm going to do some groceries. The rest of today, going to do more planning for Curaçao. Going to plan all the jobs, all my video gigs. So it's going to be a productive day, I think. Let's go. Alright, so we're at the Noorderzon with the squad, and there are food trucks everywhere here, like this barbecue and Indonesian food. So plenty of options to choose from. So let's take a look at what they got over here. Okay, taste test. Taco epic beef. Here we go. Epic. Okay, here we have the butter chicken curry bowl.
Kinderen erachter.